kids, hope you all are very well. So welcome back to our online class. So once again here in your online class, your Priyanka Mrs. with you. So we were basically going through some of the topics from Active English and Active English workbook. But there is still some of the topics that are really very related to our uh, some of the grammatical items are really very needed to have a good view over these items, especially. So, similarly, there's an item in your Active English book, not workbook. So, in Active English book, there's an item. It is, of course, it's on present continuous tense. Okay, it is basically item number 25 and page number 62. It's item number 25. So I have already given an overview on present indefinite and present continuous tense. Okay, so this item is related to this very grammatical item, present continuous tense. So in this item see, you can see on the board. So as I was saying that this item is related to one of the important grammatical items, present continuous tense. Let me make you remember once more that what is present continuous tense. The tense is basically about the events that are happening right now, or at this time, at this moment, or at present, or presently. Okay, if the work is done, within this moment, if it is happening right now, that means it will be considered as present continuous tense. And for present continuous tense, we will have three auxiliary verbs: am, is, are. Okay, so with singular number we will use am or is as auxiliary verb, but for plural number we will use are. Okay, and the best thing about present continuous tense is that with the base form of the verb we have to put ing. So whenever you will notice ing with the base verb, like walking, singing, running, taking, doing, drinking, eating, so that all the ing added verb, this will be in present continuous tense. That means it indicates present continuous tense. It is the continuous form. Okay, got it? So whenever you are having any ing with any base form of a verb, it will be in continuous. Okay, so in this item, page number 62 in Active English book. So I would like to ask you, for this class, please have your Active English book with you so that you can follow my instruction according to the according to the lines. Okay, so with the help of Active English book, I think things will be get much more easier for you. So in this page, please have a look on the page number 62. Item number 25. From which book? Active English book, not workbook. Okay. So in this page, you will have some of the pictures, and under the picture, the lines are written in present continuous tense. Okay. That means the lines are already mentioned in the book. These are considering the picture. These are the descriptions of the picture. There you will have some of the pictures of girls and boys and what they are doing. Okay, this is the description of their doings. So you have to mention the line, though the lines are already given, but you have to remember that in which form the lines are given. It is in present continuous tense, because you will have ing here with the base verb. Okay, and of course you will have every line in present form, because how do you sense that it is in present form? It can be in past form. Yes, you can sense. Obviously and undoubtedly the lines are being written in present continuous tense. Why? How do we know that? Seeing the auxiliary verb am, is, are. Okay, if there's auxiliary verb am, is, are, and along with the auxiliary verb, if we see any verb adding ing like walking, singing, going, ing with any verb, it becomes present continuous tense. Okay. So without uttering any words furthermore, let us have a look on the board. Miss already has drawn some of the pictures according to the page. Now you have to have your book before you, and you have to go through the page, and please match the page with Miss's lecture. Match the pictures on the board to your book and then go through the lines. Miss will surely mention the lines here, but you will also need to follow the page in the book. Okay, babies? So I'm giving you a minute to have your own book with you. Okay? So now have a look on the board. I hope you all have your books with you. See, it's Active English, item number 25, page number 62. I hope you all got the page. Now see here, as I always say that Miss is not a very good artist like you, but still Miss chooses to draw some of the pictures for your sake. I know you are a quite better artist than your Miss, but I hope you will manage to understand the picture. Okay, see here, it's a boy, and if it's a boy, we will use pronoun as he. Okay, as the chapter is all about present continuous tense, with he, which auxiliary verb should we use? We should use is, not am or are. Can am be with he am? No, neighbor. He are neighbor. So we have to write he, then auxiliary verb for present continuous tense is. With he, we have to put is. He is doing what? What is he doing? What is he doing? It looks like that he is actually walking around something. That means the verb is walk, as it is in present continuous tense. For continuous, we should add what? Ing. So now, can you match the line after the picture? Under the picture, there's the line, he is walking. Isn't it? Yes. Now see, again, it's a boy. Miss tried to draw a picture of a boy. So what is he doing? Basically, he is actually writing something. Okay, so he is writing. So as it's a boy, for boy, which of the pronouns should be used? It's he. So after he, we should add is. Okay, he is. What is he doing? He is writing. WRITING, writing. Okay. Now coming to the next picture. Okay, see, there's a twist that the line opposite of the another line actually shows the different lines. Okay, that means different statements. So we should first go with the first row. Okay, so he is walking. Now opposite picture, here it's a girl. From this gesture we can understand that actually it's a picture of a girl. Okay, babies, so here see, as she has long hair, though I know some of the boys also keep long hair, but still with long hair we can understand that it's a girl. So what is she doing actually? As it's a girl, for girl we will use the pronoun she. Okay, she. Now which of the auxiliary verb should we put? It's is. Should I use are, she are? No. She am, can it be? No, it can never be. Okay, so she is what? Is she walking or running? No, she is actually running. The way she is appearing, it looks like that she is actually running. She is in a race. So she is running. RUNNING. Okay, running. So now the next one is, see, it's also a girl. Doesn't she look like a girl? Doesn't she? As say she already made her hair like a girl, and she is having long hair. Okay, so she is doing something. What is she doing? On a paper she is drawing something actually. Okay, in your book you can relate this very clearly, that a girl is drawing something, drawing a picture. So for the girl we will use she. Okay, she. Then with she we have to put what? We have to put is, am or are. Am, is or are. Is. Now she is, the verb is draw. So now with the verb what should I put? As it is continuous, and continuous means ing with the verb. So she is what? She is drawing. Okay. Now coming to the next one. Here again it's a girl. If it's a girl, say from her long hair, we can depict her as a girl. So for girl we will use the pronoun she. Okay, so she. Then so as she is a girl, so we have to use the pronoun she. Then with she I have to put is. Okay, she is what? She is, what does it look like? Does she have a smiling face? Yes. From this picture we can depict that, yeah, she is actually smiling. Is she crying? No. Is she doing something? No, actually she is constantly smiling. So we have to write that she is what? She is smiling. Okay, babies. Now what is she doing? She is smiling. Now coming to the next picture, see, it's a boy. From the picture we can see he doesn't have long hair, and he is quite alike to the male, or wearing a t-shirt. So it's a boy. It's a boy like Kuti, Karuno. Okay, Iftikhar. So for boy we will use he. Okay, he. So along with he, which of the auxiliary verb should be used here? Is. He is. What is he doing? From this picture, is he smiling or laughing? Is he doing anything? No, he is. See, can you see the drop, a tear drop in his eyes? See, the tears are actually dropping. So he is what? He is basically crying. Okay, so the base verb is here cry. C-R-Y, cry. And with cry, as it is our present continuous tense, so to make understand that it's in present continuous tense, what should we use? Should we put ing? How can we understand that it's a present continuous tense? From seeing the auxiliary verb am is are, and of course ing with the base form of the verb. Okay, so we should put ing, then it becomes crying. So he is crying. Then see here, two of the people, they are doing what? As there are two people, so we should use they. They is for plural number. Okay, with they we should use are. They are what? They are sitting. Are not they sitting down? Yes, they are sitting down. Okay, what are they doing? They are sitting down. Now coming to the next one, see, here two of the, again there are two people. So as it is in plural number, what should we write? We should write they. Okay, they is for plural. So as it is plural, for plural number, the auxiliary verb will be are. They are what? They are sitting or standing up. They are standing up. So they are, actually it's looking like that they are standing. So that's why they are standing up. Okay. Okay, now please have a look on the board again from the top of the board, that from the first picture, the boy is walking, so he is walking. The boy is writing, he is writing. Then the opposite, a girl is running, so she is running. Then the girl is actually drawing, so we wrote she is drawing. Then the picture is saying that she is smiling, and the opposite is he is crying. And the last picture, in the last picture we can see they are sitting down, and in the other they are standing up. Okay, So I hope you can match the picture with the lines in your book along with the board. Okay, so that's all for today. Hope we will meet with the new chapter or new item. Till then, stay well and take care.